Alright, so happy holidays to everyone. It's Rookie Repairs back at again. We have a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. Go ahead and comment and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the rear lights that goes right here. So what we're going to do is install the truck tailgate light bar, a strip that's going to go from right there all the way right there. Alright, so first thing you want to do is clean the surface where you're going to put it on. Alright, so I already put rubbing alcohol right here all the way. As you can see, it's nice and shiny now. Alright, just gonna install this. Alright, so we got the wifey helping out. Alright, so all you have to do is go ahead and connect the connection right here. So go ahead and turn on the lights so you can install it, have an idea where you want it. So I told the wifey if she could turn on the lights. So you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna have it turn on the car, put the left signal, left. So that's the side's gonna be the left, right. See, it works. Alright, just gonna put this on there because the wife is not sure she wants it down here or up here. We can't really see right here. Alright, just gonna try this out. Alright, so all I did was put black tape on it. Just gonna hold it. As you can see, the other one's right here. Where'd you go? Right there. And one in the far corner, just to have an idea. So that's how it looks. Alright, so we're gonna make a left and right turn to see how it looks. That's the right. That's the left. Alright. So that's the hazard lights. Alright. Now let's go and try the top. So it's gonna be your call if you want it on top there, because some trucks they have it up there, but the wifey says she like it down there, so we're just gonna go ahead and align it and keep it there. Alright, let's go and do that now. Alright, let's go ahead and align it. Alright, so there you have it. We're just gonna align it. So we're gonna use the wife's finger. As you can see on the bottom right here, it's right there on one finger. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're gonna let the wife do it.
You want to take your side. It's pretty hard to do it on this angle.
Yeah, it's one finger.
Yours is too high up.
No, just go down, just do your finger. I'm just holding it. Alright, so there you guys have it. Alright, so after that, let's go ahead and run this in the back. Right there. Just take it from the back here. Plug it in, as you can see. Let's go and plug it in. Alright, so there you have the connection. Alright, so there you have it. So I ran the cable right here in the back. And I put a zip tie right here in the back. It's right there. Connection right there. Alright. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you in the next one.